Welcome to Utopian Healthcare, training and consulting for ideal care. Today, our lesson is on how to use pulse oximeter. Become a certified caregiver with Utopian Healthcare. Learn how to use pulse oximeter. Step 1. Turn on the pulse oximeter. Step 2. Clip it into your index or middle finger. Step 3. Keep your nail facing up inside the clip. Step 4. Rest your hand flat on a table or your chest. Step 5. Hold completely still to avoid disrupting the sensor. Get trained today. Join our upcoming caregiver training. Thank you.